What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Josh. We're gonna go over Dent, guys, a sleeper project, in my opinion. Great project to be looking into right now. Currently, we're up 26% on the day. Dent has been one of the top gainers. We're sitting in a market cap of 412 million. 24-hour volume is 114 million. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You receive $25 for free just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So you can see here Dent is just absolutely broken away from the EMAs and quite a significant pump here. We're quite overbought on the RSI. If we scroll back, we've had a few times where we've been higher on the RSI, but as you can see here, we trended up to about 90 on the RSI. And we saw a swift correction here. If we look at this correction, all the way down to the, I just bit my tongue, holy moly, all the way down to the red wick there, that was about a 48, almost 50% correction here. Now, I don't think we'll see that steep of a correction for Dent, but if we were to, well, let's see here. If we were to come back down to this level of support at 0.0029, it's about a 30% correction, and that is a possibility, guys. Major level of support here for Dent. So you can see Dent has come all the way up to the 0.382 extension at 0.0044. So if you were to see Dent continue to push up here and get above 0.044 and hold it as support, I mean, a steep correction is imminent in my opinion, where it will either just come down or you'll see start to see some sell-off. Here on the 4-hour chart, you would just kind of see the candle start to come down, but this candle just started here on the 4-hour. So you might start to see a red candle here. But if we were to break through 0.044, your next price target is up here. You see all this support in this area. There's not a lot of support and resistance in between 0.044 and 0.0059 for Dent. It's also the 0.5 on the Fibonacci. But we should correct soon here, guys. We're overextended on the 4-hour chart. If we go over here and look at Dent on the daily, Dent is looking really healthy, guys. We're about to see the bullish cross of the 20 over the 55, which is a beautiful sign of continuation on this bull run. Dent is such a sleeper, in my opinion, yet to explode. Certain projects like Dent, Wink, BTT, I really love these projects. I think they're under the radar. A lot of people are sleeping on them, and they tend to explode, and Dent is yet to do that on this bull run here. So we can see we're back above the EMAs. We're about to have the bullish cross. We are getting overbought here on the daily as well. So do keep an eye on that. I'll give you some future price targets for Dent on this bull run here. Let me take this out here. Take this a little squiggly. It's a squiggly. I don't like it. All right. So the 1.272 extension here is up at about 0.043, and the 1.618 is up at 11 cents for Dent, which I do believe it will make to on this bull run, and that's a juicy gain, guys. Wow, 2,500%. I think Dent is such a sleeper, and I do believe that it will make it all the way up to the 1.618 extension on this bull run. We can see here we're starting to see a little bit of red. So if we do roll over, guys, I'll also drop in this level of support here. As you can see here, it was a previous level of resistance, and then we just exploded. So now it can come back and act as a level of support, and you can see the support in this area as well. So that could be a great level for Dent to come down to at 0.0034. The correction will come, guys, so if you're trading Dent, don't be hesitant to take some profits, but I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. I'm just an investor in Dent. I'm not trading it. I'm just simply invested into it. I'm a big believer in the project. I think what they're doing with the mobile communication, with the crypto data worldwide, will be absolutely massive. So your next price targets are 0.0044 and 0.0059, but I do believe we're going to see a correction. A correction is imminent. So just a quick little update for Dent. Big believer in the project. Always have been, always will be. Definitely think it's worth looking into if you're new to Dent. All right, guys, make sure to follow me on social. Check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. We're talking all things crypto. Make sure to sign up to Bybit and receive up to $1,600 in bonuses. Check out crypto.com. See you in the next one. Peace. Much love. All right, take care.